Cat Diagonal Retention System tips, or DRS, feature a 40-degree pen angle. The angle provides access to the pen, even when teeth are located very close together. They are designed for quick and easy installation and removal. Let's look at how the system works and how to remove and install it. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures, and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Seven different diagonal retention tips are available for your Cat backhoe loader. To choose the right option, consider your application. For general excavating and loading, long tips are a popular choice. They are self-sharpening and curved for excellent penetration. For jobs with more impact, think about using penetration tips. They are wider, providing improved corner coverage. If you're working in hard soil and abrasion isn't a concern, go with soil tips. Wide tips are a good fit when you want to carry more material in the bucket without worrying about spills. If you're digging footings, creating stem walls, or cleaning a trench floor, you may want to opt for the flat-bottom designed chisel tips. Sharp tips are ideal when you're dealing with densely compacted materials, and penetration is more important than wear life. Or choose twin sharp tips if you're working with materials that are extra hard to penetrate. The DRS for backhoe loaders uses an angled installation of the retention pen. The pen slot sits at a 40-degree angle, which makes replacement easier even though the tips are close together. To remove tips, use a punch to push the diagonal retention pen out from the bottom up. To make sure the adapter is clean, use a wire bristle brush to get rid of caked-on material. And then to install, hammer the pen into the retainer from the bottom side up. You can order replacement diagonal retention tips at parts.cat.com. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.